show Mo, what have I got? Wouldn't you like to know? Show Mo, ready or not, what have I got to show Mo?
Michael.
Yeah, Mo?
Mo has a bit of a problem.
Oh no, what's your problem, Mo?
Well, Mo has this beautiful picture of an orange here, and Mo wants to paint it, but Mo doesn't have any orange paint.
Mo,
Yeah?
you are not going to believe this.
Oh,
The thing I have to show you today is exactly what you need. Ta-da!
oh. You've really dropped the ball here, Michael. What Mo needs is orange paint, and this is clearly red paint and yellow paint.
Well, Mo, watch carefully.
Yeah?
If I take some of this yellow paint, pop it in here,
Yeah.
and just a little bit of red, and mix it together, can you see what's happening?
It's turning orange!
That's right, it's turning orange.
How did you do that?
Well, Mo, that's just how colours work. If you take yellow and you mix it with red, you get orange.
That is incredible.
Here you go.
Thank you.